Hope you guys are doing good. It's Thursday. I'm going to have like a full session, full power ekdam. So before coming to the gym, I was watching Jeff Nippard. You know that guy, right? The science man of bodybuilding. Jeff Nippard. So this video was uploaded on Will's channel. Is another fitness influencer, Will Tennyson or something like that. I don't remember his real name. So he uploaded a video on his channel featuring Jeff, where these guys were covering the best exercises for every body part, excluding. So basically, they covered every exercise except for calves and abs. Now these guys were talking about the most best exercises for every body type. Now, what categorizes as a best exercise? So there were three aspects that Jeff and Will were considering that makes one particular exercise eligible as a best exercise. So number one, it should have feel good, like the feel good factor should be there. Like for example, incline presses. Now incline presses, for some people it can be good on incline press Smith machine. For some it can be good on the barbell. For some it can be good on dumbbells. So whatever is the feel good factor. So they selected this exercise. Number one criteria was feel good factor. Number two, it should have very good eccentric stretch, like the muscle should be in a good stretched position, because from a muscle hypertrophy standpoint, the more amount of time spent in a stretched position by a particular muscle equals to more growth. That was the second factor. And the third factor was it should be easily progressive, like it should be easy enough to progressively overload on that particular exercise. So these were the three factors that they were looking at when selecting a particular exercise. So I'll try to link that video in the description so that you guys can go and check out that video, so you can make changes into your training program accordingly. So yeah, I mean, after looking at that video and understanding the science behind it, I might change one or two movement in my back exercises, not the entire exercise, because I'm already my workout program that I've designed is including most of the movements that they spoke about. But in this video that I saw, the technique is what they also explained. So I will try to implement those techniques in my lifting session today. So that is that. And yeah, it's not crowded. Yesterday I came late to the gym, so I was not able to record, but today that's not the case. So we'll have a good warm-up session, one set on the pull-ups, one set on the hyperextension, and then we move on to the working sets. So yeah, it's going to be good. I've managed to complete my sleep goal as well today, and I'm feeling refreshed. Slight little bit of, I don't know, is it discomfort or is it soreness? Little bit of soreness around this area, very little, at a specific angle or a specific stretch I can feel it, otherwise it's not even there. Yeah. द वर्कआउट इज डन एंड रेयर डेल्ट करने का मन नहीं था आज. आई मीन सो रेयर डेल्ट की जगह पे आई डिड chest supported rows because what I feel like is the way I do chest supported rows, जो मेरा technique और form है, it ends up targeting my rear delts as well while I'm doing the eccentric stretch. So directly rear delt movement नहीं किया, but yes, apart from that बाकी सब कुछ same ही था like the last back session. And in terms of the blood flow that I feel in my back, I can definitely feel my lat area spreading up. So and even starting में जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैंने कुछ videos जेफ निपर्ड के देखे yesterday where he was talking about a different technique, best exercises. So that was one of the examples why I did Bayesian curls. यूजुअली जब मैं बेजियन कर्ल्स करता हूँ आई सेट द केबल एट द लोएस्ट अटैचमेंट, एकदम सबसे नीचे. आज मैंने थोड़ा सा ऊपर रखा. सो लाइक आई डोंट नो मार्किंग्स यूनिवर्सल होते हैं कि नहीं केबल स्टेशंस पे, बट इफ दे आर यूनिवर्सल मैंने अटैचमेंट को 12 मार्किंग पे सेट कर दिया वेयर आई एम एबल टू सी नंबर 12 एंड फ्रॉम देयर आई वाज कर्लिंग इट वेयर कॉन्स्टेंटली it was creating a 90-degree angle and my arm was always behind, so वो stretch हमेशा maintain हो रहा था. So Bayesian curls in this way was definitely good. Now let's push down, देखते हैं pump कैसे लग रहा है. Let's see. Train your abs with weights. You don't have to do like 3 and 4 and 5 different movements for your abs. Just do one movement, लेकिन उसको weights के साथ में train करो, आपको अपने आप difference दिख जाएगा. So let's see. I really need to learn this pose. So, performing lat spread is not that easy. ऐसे मैं open कर पाता हूँ, but when it comes to spreading it, I am either able to open my right lat or my left lat. दोनों lats खोलने में you need good muscle and connection for that pose. It's not that easy. But in terms of the arms, I'm really happy with how my arms are looking right now. मेरे right bicep तो हमेशा से दिखती थी थोड़ी थोड़ी. When I was training Bayesian curls, मुझे मेरे left veins भी दिख रहे थे left arm पे. So that is a good thing. And no direct trap movement, लेकिन yeah, the traps are visible as well. So yeah, let me try to change थोड़ा सा positions. I hope यहाँ से visible हो. I think this should be visible. You see that? No trap movement direct. And I have been sharing my videos for quite some time now. I have never done any exercise to directly train my traps. I want thick neck and traps coming out here. I'm talking about that, where people comment, the guy's traps are that big that it looks like another man is coming out of his neck. उतने massive traps चाहिए. That is that. Now for cardio. आज कार्डियो जिम में नहीं, आज कार्डियो होगा जिम के बाहर. Because on my way to the gym, मेरा कैलकुलेशन ऐसा था कि I decided once I'm done with the workout, I'll be stepping back, first fueling up my bike and then going home. But मेरा कैलकुलेशन गलत था. जिम पहुंचने के 10 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पे my bike ran out of fuel and I was mind fucked. But I was like, fuck it. We are almost at the gym. Let's get the workout done first. And उसके बाद देख लेंगे क्या करना है क्या नहीं. So turns out मुझे यहाँ से nearest पेट्रोल पंप पहले तो देखना है. Which one is like the nearest? And push. So that is going to be our cardio. Let's see, let's just take a look exactly कितना दूर है. Another good news. Managed to break my phone. Display is gone. Great. Anyways guys, you know what keeps you happy. Keep doing that. Be kind to others. Keep your heads up. Keep lifting. Peace.